Okay, y'all, it's Friday night. I've got some pizza dough here that's been out at room temperature. We're going to make us a pizza tonight. Yep, just make sure it don't stick to the bag. That's good. Okay, and here we go. You know, I probably should have put my parchment paper down first. Hold on a second, let me go get some. Ta-da! There we go. Much better. Then I'll just take the parchment paper, slide it on my peel. Main thing is I want to get this thing stretched out. I like a thin crust. Got some of this pizza sauce already made. I shredded my own mozzarella cheese, and I already had some shredded. I just mixed it together. We like a lot of cheese on our pizza. Pepperoni. And then we've got some sliced mushrooms. Okay, and then some black olives. Ta-da! All right, here it is out of the oven. Oh, that looks good. Now I'm going to cut it up.